Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to filter stocks by volume using the TradingView screener. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly spot the most actively traded stocks, which can really make a difference in your trading or investing decisions. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up TradingView. That's our starting point. If you don't already have a TradingView account, it's free to sign up and the screener tools are easily accessible from the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look up to the top of the screen and you'll see a menu called Products. Give that a click. Don't worry if you're not sure where things are just yet. TradingView's menu system is pretty user-friendly, so you'll get the hang of it very quickly. Once you've clicked Products, glance over to the right side of that drop-down menu. There you'll find the option labeled Screeners. Go ahead and click Screeners. This will take you to the section where you can begin filtering stocks based on a variety of criteria. It might take a couple seconds to load, especially if you haven't used the screener before, but be patient. Once it appears, you'll notice several screener types: stocks, forex, crypto, but for today we're sticking with stocks. Now, once you're inside the stock screener, you'll want to make sure you're looking at the Overview tab. This is the tab that gives you a broad snapshot of the market, letting you see key statistics for a lot of stocks at once. It's perfect for narrowing down your choices before you dig deeper into other details. Sometimes it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data here, but don't worry, we're going to focus on just one crucial measurement. Volume. So why is volume such an important filter? Well, volume tells you how much a stock is being traded over a certain period, basically how much action there is. High-volume stocks are like bustling highways. There's a lot of movement, which means you can usually buy or sell your shares quickly at prices close to what you expect. On the flip side, low-volume stocks are like quiet country roads. You might set out to make a trade, but it can take much longer to get where you're going, and you could end up paying more than you bargained for due to wider price spreads. Even more importantly, volume helps you verify the reliability of technical patterns. For example, if you're watching for a breakout or a particular candlestick formation, you want to see it confirmed by strong volume. That's the market's way of saying, yes, this move looks real. Without enough volume behind a price move, patterns can easily turn out to be false alarms, or worse, subject to manipulation by just a few traders. Volume filtering isn't just about avoiding pitfalls, though. Sudden spikes in volume can signal that something big is happening, maybe earnings news, a change in management, or fresh institutional interest. Keeping an eye on volume means you can spot these opportunities early, rather than reacting after a stock has already exploded in price. To wrap it all up, filtering by volume on TradingView's screener lets you target stocks that are actively traded, liquid, and more predictable from a technical analysis standpoint. This step helps you stay clear of liquid traps and focus your attention where it really counts, especially if you want to trade in and out efficiently or catch those big market moves. That's really all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to see more detailed screeners in action, drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another trading tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy screening.